Welcome to Villa Victoria in Boston's historic South End. My name is Nathaniel, and as part of EBU's Financial Empowerment Program, we have been offering one-on-one coaching where in the first 3 quarters of 2021, we have helped over 100 participants create budgets, improve credit, and build their wealth, all while recovering and rebuilding from the COVID-19 crisis.
Welcome to Glenbrook Way in Medway, Massachusetts. Here we have 48 units of 1, 2, and 3 bedroom homes. 6 of those units are fully handicap accessible, and 26 of those units are visitable.
I am Jocelyn Feliciano, and I am a Vita-Site coordinator here at the CDC. We operate free tax preparations throughout the entire year, and right now we are working on child tax credits and stimulus checks to help bring families out of poverty.
Hi, my name is Brianna Burnett, and I am here with Revitalize CDC. During the pandemic, I served as a program assistant for our COVID-19 relief program. We were able to deliver food and supplies to hundreds of needy people in our community.
My name is Sarah, and I'm the Resident Services Manager of the Allston Brighton CDC. Since fall of 2020, we have helped over 85 households to secure emergency rental assistance. Tenancy preservation continues to be one of our main priorities amid the COVID-19 pandemic.
Hello, my name is Ayat Alawad, and I am the Director of Health Equity at the African Community Economic Development of New England, or ACEDON for short. And during the COVID-19 crisis, we witnessed existing inequities widen in underserved immigrant communities. And one initiative that ACEDON is undertaking is the increased economic representation and participation of ethnic minority women in entrepreneurship and investment through the BRIC program, which is supported by the Fletcher School of Diplomacy and the Tisch College of Civic Life.
I'm Lydia Lowe from the Chinatown Community Land Trust. We're starting to reclaim historic small properties from short-term rental use in Chinatown and preserve 3 permanently affordable units for low-income Boston home buyers this year.
I am Darrell Harris, and I'm the Associate Director of Community Engagement at Urban Edge Housing Corporation. And we are working with the Metropolitan Area Planning Council to improve digital access and equity throughout our community.
The Franklin County CDC administered over $1 million in forgivable loans to 86 businesses, farms, and nonprofits in Western Mass to support them through the pandemic.
I'm Cassie White, an organizer with Fenway CDC. During the pandemic, the MBTA cut a bus route that residents rely on, and in response, we've organized with residents for access to reliable public transit.
I'm Donna Brown, the Executive Director of South Boston NDC. We were awarded a Tufts Medical Center COVID relief grant, and we hired a small business specialist to help our local small businesses recover from the pandemic.
Hi, my name is Eddie Rosa, Community Engagement Director for Groundwork Lawrence. And we, along with Lawrence Palante, are working to learn how residents move throughout the city. So post-pandemic, we can help influence transportation mode shifts.
Hello, I'm Jacqueline, Small Business Developer at New View Communities. This past year, we helped over 50 local businesses receive COVID relief grants across central Massachusetts. We'd like to tip our hats to our fellow CDCs, as this was a collaborative effort in helping all these businesses.
This is Jason Boyd of the Cobble Square Neighborhood Development Corporation, signing in for the roll call, and I'm proud to report that over 75 community members have participated in our virtual health and well-being convenings, co-facilitated with Dr. Tahir Abdullah and other providers of color in the area.
My name is Judith Garcia, and I am the Communications Project Manager at the Neighborhood Developers. TND launched the rental assistance hotline that since March 2020 has leveraged $7.5 million in rental assistance, allowing 996 families to stay in their homes.
Hi, I'm Kristen Bacher from Wellspring Cooperative in Springfield. This fall, Wellspring is partnering with the Food Bank of Western Mass to provide local hydroponic lettuce from Wellspring Harvest for distribution to local food pantries.
Hi, we are the rental team at Lawrence Community Works. Over the past 18 months, LCW has raised and distributed $728,487 to stabilize 400 families in their homes.
Hi, I'm Miriam Ortiz and I'm the Director of Education and Training at Just a Start. Our focus is on adult career training programs that have helped graduates move beyond the pandemic and towards sustainable, high-demand jobs in IT and the biomedical field. In mid-September, surrounded by family, friends, and staff, we were so happy to celebrate 32 graduates in ceremonies on Donnelly Park.
Hi, I'm Lucy Rivera and I am a staff member at the Maine South CDC, and we are creating a new loan pool to help the Maine South small businesses recover from this pandemic.
Hello, my name is Javier Gutierrez from Madison Park Development Corporation. For the past year and a half, we have increased the number of residents who are receiving food on a weekly basis. At the same time, we have increased the number of touch points across our properties where residents can actually receive food.
Hi, I'm Pam Anderson, the Director of Business and Credit Programs for the Community Development Partnership. Over the past 18 months, the Community Development Partnership staff have provided assistance to over 50 businesses navigating the pandemic relief programs. This work helped small businesses on the Lower and Outer Cape secure over $1 million in PPP loans, $700,000 in EIDL funds, and $125,000 in MGCC grants, and $240,000 in restaurant relief funds.
Hi, my name is Giovanna Latson, Interim Director of Resident Services at Quincy Geneva New Vision CDC. One way our team helped our communities during the COVID-19 pandemic was by initiating and implementing a collaborative COVID-19 resident response protocol, in which we worked closely with our Wynn Residential and United Housing Property Management teams to provide adequate and immediate support to residents directly impacted by COVID-19.
My name is Megan McCaffrey, and I'm the Vice President of Communications with RCAP Solutions. Unlike public water systems, private wells are not subject to any statewide safety standards. RCAP Solutions is currently partnering with the Health Foundation of Central Massachusetts to provide complimentary well assessments and water tests to ensure homeowners have safe drinking water and advocate for legislation to protect the 1 million residents in the Commonwealth who rely on these wells.
In 2021, Coalition for a Better Acre opened the only food pantry in Acre.
Hi, I'm Genevieve Tavera, Watch CDC Community Organizer. Since the pandemic, we helped over 1,500 families to apply for rental and fuel assistance programs, as well as we continue to organize Waltham residents for more safe and affordable housing. Our first-time home buyers course helped over 500 families to obtain their certificates.
Hi, I'm Tim Gilbert. I'm the project manager at Worcester Common Ground. And one initiative we've undergone in the past year and a half is the construction of 126 Chandler Street, which includes 31 units of much needed affordable housing, ground floor commercial, and a rooftop greenhouse for our residents to grow vegetables.
Hi, this is Rosa and Kristen from Harbor Light Community Partners.
We're at the site of Anchor Point Phase 1, 38 affordable units for families, of which 20% will be set aside for homeless families.
Hello, Chantal with North Shore CDC, celebrating our 10 years as an organization. One of the biggest initiatives this year is the collaboration that we made with many community partners to make the vaccination work more equitable for people in Salem. An example of that is my team is actually going and knocking on doors, educating about the importance of being vaccinated this year.
This is Mabel Zaid. I'm the Organizing Advocacy Fellow at Asian Community Development Corporation. This year, during COVID, we launched Hudson Street Stoop. It's an 18-month rotating installation. Our first installation has activated over 235 community members in the process, and we hope with our first installation to bring back stoop culture to Chinatown and to celebrate collective healing and joy during the pandemic.
Hi, I'm Elisa Magnotta, CEO of Housing Assistance Corporation, and in June we broke ground on 30 affordable rental units in the town of Brewster. The project would not be possible without our great partners at POA, of of course, the full support from the town of Brewster and their housing authority.
Hola, mi nombre es Marixa López y soy residente de East Boston.
Y juntas somos familias aquí en NOAA. Throughout the pandemic, NOAA supported our East Boston community in many different ways. For example, we gave $7 million in rental relief, which was an epic number for us. We did over 200,000 pounds of food. Overall, we supported 1,500 families in East Boston.
I'm Keith Ferry from Wayfinders in Springfield. We're currently working on our Holyoke City Center initiative, which features our Library Commons and Carlos Vega projects, including 97 units, a new Holyoke Housing Center, and community program space. This $40 million investment is transforming a long underinvested in neighborhood in the heart of Paper City.
Hello, my name is Carlos Espinosa Toro, and I'm the Director for Small Business Services at JPNDC. During the first year of the pandemic, JPNDC helped 178 small businesses that are owned by immigrants, women, and people of color survive the pandemic through one-on-one technical assistance. That's a 92% reopening rate. We're really proud of this work and of each of the business owners that we have partnered with.